This is a very important question on progressions. Let fx equal to 2 by 3x plus 1. And it is defined that f square x is equal to f of fx. And for n greater than equal to 2, we are having this result. And then we need to find limit n tends to infinity on f and x. Right? So this function is given to us, and also f square x equal to f of fx. Let's find this. So this is equal to, replacing this x with fx. So this is 2 divided by 3. Instead of x, I am writing fx plus 1. So further this is equal to 2 divided by 3 and writing this f of x complete. So this is 2 divided by 3x plus 1 plus 1. Leave this as it is. And now finding f cube x. So this is equal to, it is given to us that for n greater than equal to 2, we should use this result. So if I put n equal to 2 here, I am getting f cube x, right? So that is equal to f of f square x. Very fine. Okay. So this is equal to f of f square x. To find f of f square x now, we need to replace this x with f square x. So this is 2 divided by 3 into f square x plus 1. So this is 2 divided by 3, and now writing this complete f square x here. So this is 2 divided by 3 into 2 divided by 3x plus 1 plus 1. And then writing this plus 1. So when opening the brackets, we get this to be 2 divided by 3 whole cube x plus 2 divided by 3 whole square, right? Plus 2 divided by 3 and then plus 1. So if I am having power 3 over here, the first term will be 2 divided by 3 whole cube x. Then the power is decreasing for 2 divided by 3, right? So writing here f cube x to be equal to 2 divided by 3 whole cube x plus 2 divided by 3 whole square plus 2 divided by 3 plus 1. Similarly, we can write the result for this also. So this becomes 2 divided by 3 power 4x plus 2 divided by 3 whole cube plus 2 divided by 3 whole square plus 2 divided by 3 and then plus 1. So continuing this way, we obtain f the power nx to be equal to 2 divided by 3 the power nx plus, now this is your GP sequence, right? So the formula for this is 1 minus, the common ratio is 2 divided by 3, the number of terms are n, this is the power 1, so the number of terms are n, divided by 1 minus the common ratio. So this is 1 divided by 3. So writing here 1 divided by 3. So now taking the limit on f the power nx. So that is equal to limit n tends to infinity. I am writing this complete term. So this is 2 by 3 the power nx plus 1 minus 2 by 3 the power n divided by 1 divided by 3. Now the limit on this becomes 0. Why? Because 2 by 3 is strictly less than 1 and greater than 0. So when n is tending to infinity, the first term will become 0 if we take the limit, right? So this is equal to, when taking the limit on the first term, this is 0 plus thrice of, when taking the limit on the second term, we get 1 minus 0, right? Reason, as 2 by 3 is strictly greater than 0 and strictly less than 1. So we are getting this answer to be 3. So the value for this limit is equal to, so the value for this limit is 3. Okay, thank you. Stay blessed.